Hello everybody, welcome back to this series of videos on analytical chemistry. Today's video is on the MCQs or the multiple choice questions on MSMS or tandem MS hyphenated method. So let's see what are the questions first. In a typical MSMS, the gas which is pumped in is hydrogen, helium, argon, nitrogen. Second question is most widely used MSMS instrument is dash type, BEB type, EBEB type, QQQ type, EBB type. BEB means magnetic and the first MS is having magnetic analyzer, the second MS is having magnetic and electric analyzer, that is, it is double focusing. The first one is single focusing. B answer is double focusing and double focusing. First is double focusing, second MS is double focusing. QQQ type, in this the quadrupoles are used as analyzers. And EBB means it is double focusing and single focusing type of instrument. Okay, so the most widely used one you have to answer. The time taken for analysis in MSMS is a few minutes, a few seconds, a few milliseconds, or a few hours. The only disadvantage of MSMS is its high cost, low sensitivity, high analysis time, and interference from gases. The fifth question, in the QQQ type of instrument, the second Q or the second quadrupole is used for soft ionization, hard ionization, separation of ions, and none of the three. The sixth question is the fastest hyphenated method is GCMS, GCIR, LCMS, MSMS. The last question is MSMS is also called as hyphenated MS, tandem MS, double MS, none of the above. Okay, so these are the questions. Now I'll give you the answers. Let's go back to the first one. In a typical MSMS, the gas which is pumped in is helium. It is not hydrogen, not argon, nor nitrogen, but it is helium. The most widely used MSMS instrument type is the QQQ type. The time taken for analysis in MSMS is a few milliseconds. The right answer is a few milliseconds. It is very fast. MSMS analysis is very fast, and within few milliseconds the whole analysis can be done. The only disadvantage of MSMS is high cost. It is very costly instrument because of the requirement of vacuum in mass spectrometry. In QQQ type instrument, the second Q is used for hard ionization. A gas is pumped in and in the second quadrupole, and the ionization is taking place in the second quadrupole. The fastest hyphenated method is MSMS. The other three methods are relatively slower because in MSMS the analysis can be done in a few milliseconds. MSMS is also called as a tandem MS because both the MS are functioning in tandem, so it is called a tandem MS. Okay, so these are the answers. Thank you.